How to verify email address on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can verify email address on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now whenever you create a new Apple ID, or maybe you start with a new iPhone or reset your iPhone and start a new Apple ID, in that case it will always ask you to verify your Apple ID. Now in my case I've already verified it. Now to verify it, you need to first check which Apple mail you use, because if you use gmail.com, then your Apple ID will send a code to that particular Gmail, not on your iCloud mail. Now if you use iCloud.com, then it will send the code to the iCloud mail that you actually use. So depending upon which email service you use, you'll find them here. You'll find the verify email address option. All you have to do is simply go ahead and then send the code. Verify the code. After you receive it, just paste them over here and then you'll be able to find them out. And this way you should be able to actually solve if Apple payment method is declined. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.